So we are very happy that today we have launched the ROP CAP program in Andhra Pradesh. This is Retinopathy of Prematurity Control in Andhra Pradesh program. So what happens is that preterm babies are becoming more and more in the cities, and now they are also surviving in the district level hospitals because the government has set up district NICUs. 44 centers have been set up under National Rural Health High Mission, and the aim is that more and more deliveries under Janani Suraksha program or under NRHM should occur in the hospitals. So once these babies start surviving, they get very serious eye problem which can cause complete blindness within 5-6 months of birth. So we don't want to see these blind children happening because this is a needless blindness. So what is required is that the babies should have a retina checkup done within 1 month of birth for all the preterm babies. For all babies who are not preterm but normal delivery, those babies also newborns should have an eye checkup done, and that eye checkup can be done by the nurse or the pediatrician by using a simple torch and simple photograph of the eye. We can use the cell phone, we can use the digital camera and take a photograph of the eye and see that we are seeing a red reflex from the eye. If we are seeing a white reflex or dark reflex, that means there is something seriously wrong. So even parents, grandparents, anybody can take a picture of the baby's eyes and see that it is a red color should come. If there is no red color, if it is white or black or yellow, that means there is some problem and immediate eye checkup should be done. For ROP, we have already started the program in 1998 in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, and at that time we were seeing one blind baby of ROP every month. It was very common here because of more NICUs, more in vitro fertilization babies, they are at risk of this disease. Before this disease is not common because these children are not surviving. But now even 800 gram, 500 gram baby is surviving, so they are at very high risk and they must have retina checkup by a trained person within 1 month of birth. So at that age the child cannot come to main city. You know, the treatment and screening has to be done at the bedside of the baby where the baby is living. So we have started this program in 44 centers across the districts. The training and the equipment for screening will be provided to all the doctors who are in these NICUs and in these centers so that baby can be checked there. And then those babies who need treatment will be sent to the Regional Institute of Ophthalmology or to the private doctor in private-ship under Arogya Shri so that the baby can be treated there only. So we are going to train the doctors all over Andhra Pradesh. So the program initially was there only in fixed hospitals, like it was in All India Institute, PGI Chandigarh, Shankar Netralaya, our hospital. But for the first time we in 98 said that it is not to be in hospital, it should be in the whole city. So we started for the whole city. We call it IT CROPS, that is Indian Twin Cities ROP study. We did a study for last 10 years in which 8,000 babies we have screened and managed and treated more than 500 babies with laser, and we are very happy with the outcome. So now we spread it to other cities, as I told. In 2000 we started this program for whole of Andhra Pradesh, but now we are very happy that the government sector is also coming up. One program is running in Karnataka. They are doing more of digital screening. It is called Kids ROP program, and now they are, I think, starting in Gujarat also. So in Bombay area it is still already running. In more of districts it's not running, but what we have done is over last 10 years more than 120 doctors all over India we have trained. So now we have trained doctors in Bengal, in Calcutta, we have trained doctors in Bidar, we have trained doctors in Kerala, 5 doctors trained in Kerala, we have trained in different parts, in Nagpur we have trained. So in major cities now mostly some trained person is available. Now we are trying to go to the district level.